Hey everyone, so I got this beautiful unit from West Kiss Hair. They sent me their 26-inch 250% density unit, which is also a body wave. Here's what all is in the box. They have eyelashes, an edge control brush, they've got an elastic band for your edges, they have an HD wig cap, they even gave me a cute little scarf. So there's a lot of stuff in here that was really useful. But let's go ahead and show everyone what the lace is looking like. It's super pretty. The lace literally melts through my hand without me even having to put any glue on it. Again, this is a glueless wig. The lace is undetectable. And if you can see, this is also natural lighting, so everything is just super realistic looking. The knots are bleached. Everything is pre-plucked for you. It just comes already done up. I'm gonna kind of show you in a different angle of how this looks, and it's also pre-curled as well, but I went ahead and put in more curls for the styling portion of this video, as you can see. But this is how the hair looks in natural lighting. Really bouncy, really pretty. So this is me putting on the wig straight out of the box. There's nothing done to it. I didn't even cut the lace yet, and look at how natural this looks. Including the curls, they did that for you, so it does also come pre-curled, it's pre-plucked, all of that. Like, it just looks gorgeous. The curls, the waves, everything. You will see in this video though that I do go in and add more curls to it for the styling, but we'll get to that in a second. At the beginning of this part of the video, I'm just going to go in and install the lace. I'm not going to do glue. This is a glueless wig, honestly. As you can tell after I cut this lace, look at that. It just blends in seamlessly to the skin. And then I'm going to be adding in my lace spray. This is pretty much an all-day hold, but it's nothing crazy. I only do glue on special occasions, so to me this makes my lace last a lot longer, especially if it's a higher quality like this one. So yeah, but look at how this just blends in. Literally the install probably took me 15-20 minutes, barely any time at all, so it was really fast. I'm just kind of cutting in those baby hairs that you see right there, and everything kind of just fits in seamlessly. And the next minute of this video is literally just me kind of curling the hair and flattening it, and also just putting on the elastic band to hold down the baby hairs. That's literally it. So just enjoy until we get to the review part of this video. Alright you guys, so I just wanted to review this unit that I got from West Kiss Hair. It's gorgeous. They sent me their invisible lace 26 inches. This is how long the hair gets. It's super long. It actually goes down to my waist. So this is how the hair looks from the back. I've already curled it, as you guys could see on camera. And then this is how the lace is looking. Super cute. I'm very shocked right now, but I showed you guys at the beginning of the video, they sent me a lot of goodies. This hair quality is extremely soft, and they sent me their 13x6 lace. I'm actually gonna get into the specs of how much it costs in a second, so I can tell you guys, but I worked with West Kiss in the past, and this hair is like out of this world. I've only reviewed their curlier wigs, but this is my first time getting their body wave unit, especially in a 26 inch. I'm surprised that they sent it to me, but it literally gets so long. It's down to my waist. Not only is the lace invisible, but they also pre-plucked it, so you definitely don't have to worry about, going in there and getting it yourself. It's already done for you, which is very, 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 very nice. And yeah, the hair is really soft. Shedding is very minimal. I did not experience much with this at all, so it's really nice. Yeah, it's just really, really pretty. I'm very excited about this wig. And I've already kind of finger combed all of the curls out, so it has like a nice texture to it right now, which is really nice. Let's get into the cost of this wig 1 second. Also, I just wanted to say that this unit is 250% density, so it is very, 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 very thick. There's a lot of hair going on here. Look at how thick this is. Yeah, it's very, very, very thick. So yeah, the price is, I think, $429. Yeah, the price is $429.18 for their 26-inch, 250% density with their skin melt lace unit. So this is really, really nice. I am very happy with the quality of this wig. I have to say so myself. I'm pretty sure they let you split your payments into 4 different ones if you're needing to like wait on that, but I've been having a blast, honestly, installing this. It was super easy, very, very, very quick, and just look how seamless this looks. I could honestly use some glue here, cut this lace off, and it would be perfect, but I already kind of installed it already. Yeah, this is extremely pretty, so I'm very happy with this, you guys. Definitely be sure to go ahead and check out West Kiss Hair down below. I hope that you guys like this entire like wig install unboxing video. I'm also gonna put the other part of this on TikTok as well, so I hope that you guys like it. Be sure to go ahead and check out that styling video and just me kind of showing off this amazing unit. But that's it for this review. I honestly give this a 10 out of 10. I really, really like this a lot for the price. You're getting a lot of hair. You're getting just a really nice lace. Usually other websites like this are charging up to like $500–600. So this to me is a really, really good and affordable price for a wig like this, where you know that each time you're gonna get a high quality lace for your units. So yes. I'm gonna put the direct link to this wig down below as well, so be sure to go ahead and check out West Kiss Hair, and I hope that you guys have an awesome day.